afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs with Big Bo at Parkway RV Center. Guys, got another great Class A motorhome we're going to review today. This is a 2005 Georgie Boy Motors. I know it's a funny name, but they've been around. They were around for a very, very long time in the RV industry. GBM is what they're short for. But this is a 2005 GBM Cruisemaster. It's a model 3755 TS. This is a triple slide motorhome. It's got 30,000 miles on it. It has a bath and a half, full body paint. A lot of motorhome for $39,900. Built on a Workhorse chassis. It's got 340 horsepower, 8.1 liter Vortec V8, which in 2005 was the most powerful gas motor you could buy. And it does have the hydraulic leveling jacks. Got the slide toppers on your slide outs. It's got 50 amp electrical service. It's got a big 5500 Onan gasoline generator that does run, but I'm running low on fuel, so it ran till it was starting to surge, and it's right at a quarter of a tank, so I cut it off. I don't like to let them run empty when I can avoid it. And you can see the outside of this thing looks good. Definitely got a pretty neat stripe on it. I guess you'd call that like a light purple. But you can see, guys, you got the max air vent covers on the roof. Don't see anything bad looking on the tires, just a little dirty. 5,000 pound tow capacity hitch on the back. Got the Allison transmission. Cruisemaster LE. Thing looks good back here. Got a 10-gallon DSI water heater, furnace, of course. It does have a Lumigard patio awning. That color really shows through here. Does have a washer and dryer too. Looks like the door handle, somebody's modified it. Originally broke. I don't know if you can even get these styles anymore, but they've got it wedged in there where you can still use it. Let's look inside. Steps work great. So we go inside. Of course, you know, the Cruisemaster in the Georgie Boy lineup, that's just a funny name, Georgie Boy. In the GBM lineup is one of their top units. You can see you got solid wood cabinets, you got Corian countertops. I want to apologize first because we have not cleaned the inside of this one yet, so it will be cleaned up. Looks like somebody has replaced the flooring in here with laminate flooring. You look here in the cab over, you got these really plush flex steel leather captain's chairs. These things are basically like driving in a recliner. You got a couple of windows that are fogged up a little bit, and what happens here is the dual pane windows of this era, and they all do this when they get several years old, we're actually had nitrogen gas in between the two panes of glass, and over the years the seal has let air escape into the window and it clouds it up. And there are ways to fix that. A little time consuming, but it's something that pretty much anybody can do. You can go on YouTube and there's all kinds of videos to help you with that. Both your front seats swivel for party seating. You do have Voyager backup camera. You got the driver's side door. Windshield looks good. Dash looks good. TV. It's got a manual point satellite dish. Little fold-up table right there if you want to set it up between the recliner and the passenger side seat. You've got a sleeper sofa. Got the nice light fixtures. Notice the accent lighting, which I know, you know, this is before they really used a lot of rope lighting, so this is kind of definitely, the colors show 2005, but still a very nice motorhome for what it is. And you've got Corian countertops that look good. Still got all your stovetop covers and sink covers. And you do have an oven. Looks like somebody's replaced a microwave. Put that in. Got a RV refrigerator freezer. Runs off propane or electric. Step back through here. Sorry guys, kind of doing this one in a hurry. It's kind of late in the day. A little slide out tray here. Washer and dryer again, guys. I apologize. It's a little dusty looking, but I'm really short-handed on cleaning help, and they will clean this thing, I promise you. They just got to get around to it. This is your half bath, and over here, you know it's fancy when you got a wooden toilet seat. This is just a half bath. Little medicine cabinet. Not bad. Go to the back bedroom, and this is a Queen Island bed. You know, a couple of things on this wood floor that the previous owners have added. They didn't really put any transition strips between the front and the back. So, didn't really do the best job in the world on this floor, but I guess it's better than carpet. TV, lots of storage back here. And of course, you got your full bath, which goes across the very, and I apologize guys, it's not a bath and a half, it's a split bath. I forgot this doesn't have a toilet. I'm sorry. Like I said, I've been at the doctor's for the last 2 or 3 hours, so I guess all the poking and prodding and all that gets to your head sometimes. Everything's fine, by the way, but I just have to go there a couple times a year for my diabetic doctor, so they really rub me through the ringer when I go there. It is a split bath. So what does a split bath mean? That means your toilet is in a room all by itself, and you've got your shower and a second vanity in its own separate room in the back. So if you've got, you know, a couple, one needs to go to the bathroom, the other one can take a shower. Now again, as I apologize, but it is a split bath. Anyway, guys, nice unit, triple slide. Got it for $39.9. That's a fairly good deal for what this unit is. Low miles. We do guarantee the slide outs to work. We guarantee the generator to work and put out. We guarantee the roof airs to get cold. It's got double ducted roof airs. We guarantee the refrigerator and freezer to get cold. Everything else, of course, and the steps to work, of course, and for it to drive down the road like it's supposed to. Everything else, of course, folks, y'all know the drill. It's sold as is. You're welcome to come inspect it for yourself before deciding if this is the right RV for you, so you can get an idea what condition it's in, that in your opinion, and what works and what doesn't, because the only thing we repair, if it doesn't work, is generator, roof airs, refrigerator, freezer, slide outs, and of course the steps. Everything else is sold as is. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's how we keep our prices down. And of course, if you're not comfortable with your own ability to check it out, a third-party inspector is always welcome. Sorry about that. I had some customers want to look at it, but anyway, you know, this thing can sleep 4 people. Great couples model, and you still got room in the floor for an air mattress if you need that, or a pallet or something like that, a sleeping bag, you know, for the very occasional guest, especially if they're a couple kids or something. Heck, kids can sleep pretty much anywhere. At least I could when I was a kid. Believe me, I spent many a nights as a kid camping in the mountains just by a fire, not in a sleeping bag with no tent or camper or anything. Looking back, probably pretty dumb, but you know, you're young, you don't think about that stuff. But hey, obviously I made it, so it must not have been too bad. But anyway, guys, this is $39.9, haggle-free firm. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 706-965-7929. We offer nationwide delivery for $1.50 a loaded mile if you need it. That price, of course, haggle-free firm and plus applicable sales tax. And if you're a Georgia resident, y'all know the drill. It's $100 highway impact fee and a $40 to $50 tag and title fee, just like me and every other driver in Georgia pays on any used motorized vehicle they buy. I guess states got to have their money too. And if you got questions about it, guys, our phone number is 706-965-7929. And one of my salespeople glad to help you out. And thank y'all for watching. Just a quick one. It's kind of getting toward the end of the day, so I'm going to edit it, put it on, have it on by the night. If you're interested, give us a call. Call before you come to make sure it's available. If you're coming a long distance, you probably want to leave a deposit on it just to make 100% sure it's here when you get here. We have a lot of customers out, especially on a pretty day like this. It's 70 degrees, sunny, just a little bit of light breeze, just beautiful day. A lot of people on the lot right now because of it. But anyway, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you hadn't already. Smash me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share on social media. If you're on Facebook, like my Facebook page, RVs with Big Bo. Got some neat RVs out here, guys. I've got about 125 or 30 used units, motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels, A, B, C's, B pluses, every letter of the alphabet that has to do with RVs you can think of. I got them. Pop-ups, toy haulers, a little bit of everything, gas, diesel. Come on down, guys. You'll find something you'll want to buy. And thank y'all so much for watching, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.